Excuse the bump on my cheek. It's very odd. But anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tajaniaberry, and we are back with another freaking video, baby. Cue music.
I don't need you.
Today, as you see by the title, we're going to be doing a new hairstyle on me. This is not a new hairstyle. Wait, I don't know why I said that. Probably new to you, but maybe not if you check out this video. This video features this hairstyle that I did after I dyed my hair orange. As you see, my hair is not orange anymore. It changed 3 different colors. Anyways, yeah, check that video out. I didn't use any bleach or anything like that. Just one product. 2 products. Yeah, so I haven't done a natural hairstyle video on my channel in a very long time. However, I wanted to bring back some of the old things that I did used to do on my channel, and this was one of them. And I honestly needed a hairstyle, so it just gave me more of a reason to record it. And you could tell in the video that I wasn't really prepared. Like I knew I was making the video, but it's like I didn't bring out everything I needed. But you'll see that, and you'll see the hairstyle and how I achieved it. And so if you're interested, keep on watching. So yeah, let's get into the video. I need to wet my hair. I'll be back. Okay, so I just washed my hair. I just put some water in my hair. I know y'all see that going on. Just put some water in there. I'm gonna take this Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner in.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me.
So the part in the hairstyle is already in here, and it's not messed up or anything. So I'm gonna use this same part to complete this hairstyle. I'm gonna add some herbal alternative oil in here. Okay, it just don't want to show you.
In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't forget that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue. What I can do, what I can do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, the dick, don't wanna fit. Right around the world, play, right around, talk to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul.
Don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you like to see more of me, please subscribe. And if you like to know every time I post with that bell, baby, period. Bye, y'all.